How are you all?
Yeah, good, ma'am.
Yeah,
How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine, thank you. So, how is life going on?
Life is going well.
Ma'am.
Going on well?
Yes.
Okay, but you don't seem to be like that.
Yeah.
Life is bad.
Why is that? Because of this heat?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
because of financial problem.
Financial problems. Oh, I see. So, financial problems are there everywhere, but only thing is you'll have to solve them.
Yeah.
How?
Until get job, you can't.
First, you have to get job. So, to get a job, what should you do?
We have to do a lot of
Right.
hard work.
Like what? Hard work. So, this hard work is what? These days, hard work is there and smart work.
Smart
also.
work also is there.
Okay. So, whenever people are there, people do this hard work, they achieve their success. Whatever you do it with proper hard work, proper understanding, proper planning, proper organizing, and then you will get the success. So, whenever you do that, you will be achieving your success. Okay. Then what else? So, what else is required for this success that you are talking of? Talk about the successful people that we have. Do you think they always passed, they always excelled, they always succeeded in whatever they started?
No, ma'am.
They failed so many times.
You know that they.
There are people, even though they worked hard,
Failed.
They
they
failed.
failed.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So, those people, according to Abdul Kalam, what he said, don't talk about, don't read the success stories, read the
Failure
right,
stories.
stories of the people who failed, people who whenever they failed, whatever they put down that. So, through that they achieved success. So, if you read their failure stories, then you will know, you will not be depressed. Even those people failed, yet they succeeded.
Where to work hard and where to
Right.
do smart work.
Smart work.
Right. So, that is what is called hard work and smart work. But there are people, smart work, when they say, people play mind games, right. Ultimately, they play mind games. Even though they play mind games, they don't succeed at times. Okay. So, real smart work is looking at the work, looking at the situation, applying whatever you want to do it, there comes your success. Okay. Right. So, whenever you plan certain things, will you be able to execute all those plans?
No, ma'am.
Then
Sometimes we fail.
sometimes
You
we
fail.
fail.
Whatever may be the reason.
Right. So, now in our language we use lot of whatever, whenever, whichever, however, all these we started using, right. So, these are the ones actually they come under certain category of the language, but I mean you are not using the right kind of the language part of it. When we are using, you are not using the right kind of the word, where no, because you are sitting for the competitive exams, these things all come into your usage and come into the existence. If you don't use them properly, your framing of the sentences go wrong. Now, Raj used so many sentences. In all these sentences, instead of putting 3 different sentences that way, we can put those 3 sentences into one. Okay. So, such kind of sentences which are there, we can use them with the help of our conjunctions, and then we can use them as the as different types of sentences. So, those sentences which you are talking of now, I put them down as complex sentences. So, when I say complex sentences, the word itself says complex. Generally, what do you mean by the complex sentences? Okay, make a note of it. Make a note of it. A complex sentence is made up of a simple sentence and a statement that begins with a dependent word. Here I use the word dependent, dependent word. Why do we use this dependent word and for what? We use complex sentences when we have 2 or 3 different sentences, we would like to, one depends on the other one. When this one depends on the other one, we try to highlight on one category of the sentence. Now, for example, when I said, I say, okay, I started spending recklessly is one type of one sentence. Okay, this is one kind of a sentence. Now, if I say I obtained my card, okay, debit card, we will say I obtained my debit card, or you can also use the word credit card also, you can say anything. Okay. Now, this is a separate sentence, this is a separate sentence, but in this what is happening, one sentence is coming over the other sentence, one sentence is dependent on the other sentence. Okay. So, when I say this, one sentence is dependent on the other sentence, in this which sentence do you think is dependent on the other one?
First one is
dependent on
Right.
second one.
First one is dependent on the second one. Now, which one comes first? First one, the second one comes
Independent
first.
one.
Independent
No.
one. So, that means the one which is on its own, I obtained a debit card or I obtained a credit card. So, this one is independent on its own. This one is not dependent on the other one. So, this one you do it as an independent one. This one, after you finish this, only then this one works here. So, here what I do is I started spending recklessly after I obtained my debit card. So, here this after is the one which is again joining here, that is one conjunction we can say. So, that conjunction is the one which is adding up, okay, to the so here you have one independent one dependent one. So, one independent clause is on its own, the dependent clause is dependent on the independent one. So, here when I say this one dependent on the other one, so I obtained my debit card, that is on its own. Only after I got that I started doing this. Okay. So, we can also add this, I can bring that after to the beginning of the sentence. Okay. So, now this whole thing becomes one. So, after I obtained my debit card, I started spending recklessly. Okay, I can take this. Okay, the can you use this in any other form? Another conjunction. Can you use any other conjunction?
I started spending recklessly when I obtained my debit card.
Right. So, there instead of after, I can also use that when. Okay. I can also bring that when to the beginning of the sentence. When I obtained my debit card, I started spending recklessly.
This conjunction comes on the before the independent one. Ma'am.
Right, it comes before. That's why when we have these conjunctions which are there, there are many dependent words. These dependent words are the ones which we come into the complex sentences. And what those dependent words are, first we will get the list of the dependent words and then we will get into the sentences. Is this part clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So, what are those dependent words? We will first check them. Okay. After, although, though, even though, as,
Because
right, because, before, how, okay, if, even if, then in order that, you can say since, that or so that, we can also use these two, so that. Okay. Then unless, until, what, whatever,
When, whenever,
yeah, when, whenever, where, wherever, whether, which, whichever. Fine, these are the ones. Okay. These are the, generally we treat them as the dependent words which are mostly used in the complex sentences. Okay. We will go step by step. Then now we can say, shall I clean this? Okay. We'll take this. Okay. Raju marinated the chicken. Raju marinated the chicken. His brother prepared the pan. I can say Raju marinated the chicken while his brother prepared the pan. Okay. While his brother prepared the pan. So, here what is happening? We have this while. Okay. Or we can say while, if I bring that sentence, while his brother prepared. So, here in this sentence when I say while his brother prepared. Now, here when I say his brother is just an introductory sentence. So, we can't, instead of saying his brother, we can say Raju's brother. While Raju's brother prepared the pan, Raju marinated the chicken. Okay. Now, here when I say while his brother prepared the pan, that part of it. Now, which one do you think is the first one? Which one do you think is the independent one?
But after while only the sentence.
Sentence.
So that is the independent one.
Marinated the chicken.
First, this is the one, he marinates the chicken, right? Marinates the chicken and he keeps it. So, after this what happens? Only then they use the pan, right? So, this one becomes an independent one. Raju marinated the chicken. How long, when, where, it is up to him. Simultaneously, his brother also was doing the other part of it. So, that one depends on this. So, here we can say, while Raju's brother prepared the pan, Raju marinated the chicken. Now, this can be one category of the sentence where we can use them as a complex sentence, and these are the dependent words. Okay? So, these dependent words are the ones which are going with the sentences which are dependent on the independent one. Okay? Right. So, the next one we can say.
Ma'am, I will give one example.
Yes, please.
I saw him while crossing the road.
Right. I saw him while he was crossing the road. So, when I say here, I saw him, okay, till here I can say that this I saw him, this is my independent sentence. Okay, when did I see him? He was crossing the road. This also can be an independent sentence. But when did I see him? While he was crossing the road. So, this part of it becomes your dependent. Okay? So, your dependent word is the one which is used on that. So, this one is a separate one. While he was crossing the road, if I say while he was crossing the road, if I use, does it give you complete meaning? It does not give, right. So, this while he was crossing the road is a dependent one on this first part of it. Okay. So, this is how we can use our while. Okay. Any other?
He doesn't disturb his employees while they are on duty.
Okay, he does not disturb his employees while they are working, okay, while they are working, while they are on duty, while they are, okay, the teacher does not disturb the students while they are studying, okay, the parents do not disturb the children while they are preparing for the exams, okay, these kind of sentences which are there can be used for the as the dependent words in the complex sentences, okay, right. We will go to another one, that is although, though. This is although and we can use it with the though. Okay, although, though. Although I answered all the questions I could not get through the interview. Okay. So, instead of although I can also use though.
There is no difference, ma'am.
No.
Even though,
difference. Even though there is a difference. There is a difference in even though. Though, although, not much of a difference, almost the same. Although I answered all the questions, I could not get through the interview. Okay. Here, I answered all the questions. This is one part. I couldn't get through the interview is another part. But these two, I am using it with this although or though. Now, although I answered all the questions, I couldn't get through the interview. Final result is what?
Getting the result.
Right. I couldn't get through the interview, right. So, what does that become now?
Independent.
Right. I couldn't get through the interview. Before that, whatever is there, although I answered the questions, although I answered all the questions, I couldn't get through the interview. This part of it, now you are using it as a conjunction to join. Generally, when you use complex sentences, the conjunction which is the dependent one, it comes in the beginning of the sentence.
Okay,
I
ma'am.
couldn't get through the interview, although I answered
All the questions.
Oh.
That way also I can bring that. So, I can bring the second part of it, I couldn't get through the interview, although I answered all the questions. Okay. So, this is how we instead of that although, we can also use it as the though. Okay. Now, in continuation of all this, whatever the list of words that we have, the dependent words, we will continue with them in the next. Yeah, one more example. Can you?
Though
take
there
that?
was a traffic jam, he came early.
Right. Though there was a traffic jam, he came early. Although there was a traffic jam, he came on time, came early, anything you can put it. Okay. So, that way you can use this though, although. Here when you are giving it, one part of it is dependent on the other one. That is what you have to understand with the complex sentence, the dependent words. Okay. So, we will continue the rest of it in the next episode that we are going to do.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.